Yeah. Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed.
Hi everyone, welcome to another video. If you are new to my channel, I am Raf of Raf Roads and this is my travel channel. My vlogging channel is called By Raf Roads and you can access it through the cards above. For today's video, I thought of creating a follow-up content of what we posted yesterday. But if you haven't seen the content yesterday, I actually put it on the cards above and the description box below. So there you go, those are the 5 tips that I have. The first one is camera, trust yourself, okay? Be confident. Number 2 is research. Do the research to make your trip smooth sailing, right? Number 3, composition, the very important part. Just enjoy the composition, capture those happy moments, okay? Number 4, editing. So we got you covered with the Instagram tips. And 5, posting. It's all about the hashtag, guys. A lot of you have reached out on my Instagram account and DM'd me about elaborating on the composition chunk of that video. So that's exactly what this video is about.
Tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding to kill, I need all that. Let them come.
So let's get started, guys. In this tutorial, I'll be using 3 examples. If you're wondering, all these are taken in Baguio, a place called Mount Costa. Okay, the first example would be this video. As you can see, I have placed my camera on a flat surface. Since the location is a garden, I made sure to feature flowers on my frame. In this shot, I put those flowers on my foreground. A lot of trees are seen on the back. And of course, it won't be a garden without a bench. Now, remember what I told you about the rule of thirds? In this shot, I placed the bench on the lower right corner of the grid, just so when I sit down, I can pose looking on the right side. Another helpful tip I can give you guys when applying the rule of thirds is that you should follow the look room. Basically, it's just facing the bigger space. In this example, since the bench and me are placed on the lower right corner of the grid, my look room is on the left of the frame. What it does is it balances the shot. Now on to the next example. On this video, what's noticeable is where I placed my camera. While roaming around the place, I've noticed this narrow path that I thought would kill a leading line shot. This is not a rule of thirds per se, but this is something that you can use especially when there's a beautiful scenery. Let me insert other scenarios where you can apply this kind of shot. And as expected, I ended the video with me walking so happy and looking left to right. Such a classic Raf Roads move. Let me know in the comments down below if you successfully pulled off a Raf Roads look left to right drama. In our last example, I tried looking at the camera as I walk away with the hope that I'll look taller and more cool. But I failed. So I recommend this kind of shot to those of you who have longer legs and jawlines. Kidding aside, in this example, we'll focus on how wearing black makes the shot perfect. With all these 3 examples I gave you, did you notice how wearing monochromatic clothes makes a classic photo? I hope this example convinced you already. Another point to consider in this shot is placing the camera on the ground and tilt it up looking at the main subject, which in this case is the pine trees. Again, do the Raf Roads walk and you'll have tons of Instagram entries. I guess that's it. I hope you like this video, guys. If you still have questions, please don't hesitate asking them on the comments below. I would love to address them for you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please support me by clicking that subscribe button. It's gonna be goodbye for now, but I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys, thank you!
Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed.